To be honest, my responsibilities are quite broad. I'm involved in investment communication, marketing management, human resources, business development, and product development. But the two areas I focus on most are marketing management and product development. I believe our greatest strength today is reliability. This does not mean our products never encounter issues. I mean, when our customers face problems, we take responsibility and solve them proactively. For example, we have provided free OLED panels replacements to clients in Romania, the UAE, and Russia, without requiring the defective units to be returned to China. Transparent OLED panels are expensive, but we still choose to offer this level of support because for us, long-term trust is far more important than a single transaction. Our biggest challenge lies in product design. This is not unique to us. I mean, it's a common issue across the transparent OLED industry. In terms of appearance, there's still room for more creativity and stronger visual identity. Internally, the structure compactness and ease of maintenance can also be improved. We are fully aware of these areas and are actively working on them. In 2026, we plan to reinvest a significant portion of our revenue into product development. My goal is to make RusinDisplay products more distinctive and creative in appearance, while also improving structure, simplicity, and ease of maintenance and installation. This is our direct response to the challenges we face today. And at the same time, we aim to gain greater visibility on Google, social media platforms, and international trade shows. We will continue producing authentic and valuable content to fully present our factory, products, team, service philosophy, and customer cases, allowing the market to understand us more clearly. I sincerely thank every customer for your trust and support. Over the past year, there were areas where we could have performed better, and I truly appreciate your understanding. Moving forward, we will focus even more on product improvement and cost optimization, striving to deliver display solutions that are both competitively priced and outstanding quality. Thank you.